Welcome to Cash Ops, where we decode the shifts and strategies in today's fast-paced financial markets. Today, we're zoning in on Cathie Wood's ARK Investment Management, a trailblazer in the sphere of disruptive technologies. In the recent Q1 filings of 2024, ARK has made some compelling adjustments to its portfolio, signaling strong convictions that could shape future market landscapes. So, buckle up as we dissect these moves and what they could spell out for investors like you. First up is Tesla Inc., a perennial favorite of Cathie Wood's. ARK has amped up its holdings in Tesla by an impressive 36.6% this quarter, amid fluctuating market prices and the company's recent operational hurdles, including a workforce reduction of over 10% and price cuts on major models. Tesla's strategies are clear. They're aiming to boost efficiency and spur a robust market comeback. Furthermore, Tesla's pause on the Model 2 development, though stirring market anxieties, aligns with its history of overcoming challenges under Elon Musk's vision. This company has a track record of delivering on its promises, which is a key driver behind ARK's sustained confidence. Tesla's exploration into the realm of robotics, particularly with its Optimus robot, is another strategic move that signals its alignment with futuristic technologies, blending artificial intelligence with practical applications. The Optimus robot, designed to handle various industrial tasks, showcases Tesla's ambition to integrate cutting-edge technology into everyday life, potentially revolutionizing industries from manufacturing to service sectors. Switching gears, let's talk about Roku Inc., another standout in ARK's portfolio with a 32% increased stake. Roku has been adept at navigating the evolving streaming media landscape. With chip prices soaring, Roku's TV-optimized operating system offers an economical solution that meets today's consumer demands. Roku's strategy emphasizes affordability and user experience, setting it apart from competitors. Despite the dominance of giants like YouTube and Netflix, Roku's strategic pricing and platform enhancements suggest a proactive stance in carving a niche in the ad-supported streaming arena. Roku's first-mover advantage, with over 80 million active households, provides a formidable defense against competitors, reinforcing its strong position in the market. Additionally, its growing role as a gatekeeper in the streaming industry, allowing advertisers to reach consumers directly, bolsters its long-term prospects. The continued growth of streaming as a medium for entertainment and information positions Roku for sustainable expansion. If you're enjoying this analysis, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned to Cash Ops for more in-depth reviews and market insights. Next, we explore Unity Technologies Inc. With ARK holding a 2.58% stake, Unity is on a transformative trajectory, especially notable since its recent management overhaul. The stock is currently priced attractively, and its recent financial performance shows promising growth. Unity's pivot towards higher-margin business segments and its strategic cost optimization indicate a focus on sustainable profitability. The unveiling of Unity 6 at the Game Developers Conference 2024 promises advanced multiplayer game development and AI integration capabilities, solidifying its competitive edge in the tech arena. This innovation opens new opportunities for Unity across sectors, from gaming to software development to industrial applications. Furthermore, Unity's diversification into industrial applications, including its partnership with Apple for the XR Vision Pro, highlights its strategic maneuvering beyond gaming. This move taps into the broader applications of real-time 3D technology, enhancing Unity's relevance in various sectors, including engineering, healthcare, and education, contributing to its long-term growth. Lastly, we cannot overlook Palantir Technologies Inc. Increasing its stake by 16% last quarter, ARK is betting big on Palantir's integral role in data analytics for US defense and security. Palantir's platforms, Gotham and Foundry, are pivotal in enhancing data integration and operational efficiency across various sectors. Gotham aids intelligence agencies in identifying patterns and fostering operational collaboration, while Foundry provides an operational backbone for sectors ranging from finance to healthcare, integrating siloed data into a unified framework. Its specialization and the critical nature of the services it offers provide a significant moat against competitors, positioning it for robust long-term growth. Furthermore, Palantir's deepening entrenchment in niche yet vital areas of data analytics, coupled with its strategic operational adjustments, indicates a path towards sustainable growth and profitability. This long-term vision is critical, particularly in an era where data complexity and security needs are continually escalating, making Palantir a valuable asset to ARK's portfolio. By analysing ARK Investment Management's strategic plays in Q1 of 2024, we gain valuable insights into their vision for the future. Cathie Wood isn't just following trends, she's potentially setting them. These investments in Tesla, Roku, Unity, and Palantir showcase a focus on disruptive innovation that could redefine entire industries. But is ARK all sunshine and rainbows? It's important to remember that ARK's approach is high risk, high reward. Their focus on disruptive technologies means their holdings can be volatile. Investors need to be comfortable with this risk profile before following ARK's lead. So, what can you do as an investor? Do your own research. Don't blindly follow ARK's every move. Research the companies they invest in and understand their business models and potential risks. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes and sectors. Invest for the long term. Disruptive technologies often take time to mature. Be patient and focus on long-term growth. ARK Investment Management provides a fascinating glimpse into the future of technology. By understanding their investment strategies, you can make informed decisions about your own portfolio. Remember, knowledge is power in the investment world. Stay tuned to Cash Ops for more insights and analyses to help you navigate the ever-changing financial landscape. That's it for today, everyone. We hope you enjoyed this deep dive into ARK's Q1 moves. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe for more content like this. We'll see you on the next episode of Cash Ops. And remember, keep calm and invest on.